Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not much happening for earnings this morning, but we'll see what's ahead for the week and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning ahead of inflationary data being released tomorrow. Right now, Dow futures are up 0.26%, S&P 500 futures up 0.47%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.54%. Shares of MicroStrategy were on the rise after they filed with the SEC on Friday a plan to sell up to $500 million in common shares with the purposes of purchasing more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is one of the largest owners of the cryptocurrency, with nearly 130,000 Bitcoins worth about $3 billion. Bitcoin prices remain around their lowest of all year, which could be why MicroStrategy is wanting to scoop up more at these low prices. In their most recent quarterly earnings for the June quarter, the company said that their average cost per Bitcoin was around $30,000. With prices around $20,000, this could certainly be a good discount. Analysts currently rate the MicroStrategy stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 91%. Trading platform Robinhood has unveiled the Robinhood Investor Index. It will follow the top 100 most owned stocks on their platform. In a statement from Robinhood, they said that unlike most other indices, it isn't weighted by dollars, but by conviction. They'll measure the customer's conviction for each investment by looking at the percentage it makes up of their portfolio. They'll update the index once a month and plan to share valuable insights about where their customers are investing their money. Looking at the data they have so far, they said that their customers invest in what they know, understand, and believe in for the long term, and staples in their daily lives like Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon are consistently some of the top holdings. Analysts currently rate the Robinhood stock a hold with an average upside of 11%. Following comments from Walt Disney's CEO, activist investor Dan Loeb has taken a step back from his push to sell off ESPN. Disney's CEO told Financial Times that they had been inundated with interest from companies this year about purchasing ESPN, and they said that they have plans to restore ESPN to its growth trajectory. Following this, Dan Loeb said that we now have a better understanding of ESPN's potential as a standalone business and another vertical for Disney to reach a global audience to generate ad and subscriber revenue, and we look forward to seeing them execute on growth. Analysts currently rate the Walt Disney stock a strong buy with an average upside of 25%. And in the ongoing saga of Elon Musk versus Twitter, Elon has added a new reason as to why the merger agreement should be null and void. Elon Musk's lawyers sent a letter to Twitter saying that the recent severance payments to a former employee violated the merger agreement. It says that they paid Peter Zatko, a former employee, a total of $7.5 million in severance, and that violates a portion of the merger agreement that prohibited certain termination and severance payments between the signing and closing of the deal. Twitter will be holding a shareholders meeting on Tuesday to vote on Elon Musk's proposed $44 billion acquisition of the social media company. Analysts largely rate the Twitter stock a hold while this continues to play out, with a slight downside of 4%. Now moving along to notable earnings reports. And this section is going to be very quick today. Not only are there not many earnings reports today, the week is fairly quiet as well. In the after hours today, we will hear from Oracle, and later on in the week on Thursday, we'll hear from Adobe. And that's about it for big names, so let's move right along to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by ProKidney, though I wasn't able to find any distinct news behind this morning's jump. Trading under the ticker PROK, the stock is up 10.5%. They're followed by Pagaya Technologies under PGY, up over 8%, and Bristol Myers under BMY, up about 7.7%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Ternium SA. They trade under the ticker TX and are currently down 8.2%. They're followed by Relay Therapeutics under RLAY, down 7.8%, and Nomad Foods under NOMD, down 7%. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic Monday, and I'll see you back here next time.